I actually finished court this morning with this poor girl. She's like 20. Her DUI was for alcohol. She learned her lesson. She's like, yes, it was one of my first few times drinking. I was just going up the road. I thought I was fine. And I think the officer just got lucky and she was at the wrong place, wrong time. She pulled into a gas station. The officer happened to be there and they said she didn't like park right. And she ran a stop sign, which I was like, no, it was a whole made up thing. She now is telling me, she's like, yeah, Zach, but I like smoking every day, marijuana. And I'm like, that's illegal too for a few different reasons. Number one, you're not 21 yet. It's technically a petty crime. You shouldn't be smoking marijuana.
Get it back out.
Is the punishment for smoking marijuana under 21 the end of the world? No, it's not. Guess what's worse than one DUI? Two DUIs. And this is the part where I had to really, grab her by the shoulders, proverbially and be like, hey, look, take this seriously. She's like, yeah, I'm not going to drink and drive again. And I'm like, okay, but you're smoking every day. Right. Their marijuana is going to be in your system. And I guarantee that you maybe are not a bad driver or whatever it is. Somehow you triggered the police to key in on you in this situation. That is probably going to happen again in the future. And the moment they key in on you, they just have to pull you over for any reasonable suspicion standard, and then they're going to be like, great, I now smell marijuana. They find a vape. They're not by law going to then use that presumably as that suspicion, but they're going to be like, hey, I want to be your friend. Do you smoke? How often do you smoke? What do you like? And they're just going to then get you to accidentally confess.
I like blueberry yum yum. And
and then you're going to get out of the car. And if you don't do all these field sobriety tests, fantastic. But if you do them, they're going to try and use them against you. And now you're facing a second DUI where again, you're looking at weeks of jail. And then you're going to be like, your argument to me is going to be like, well, Zach, I learned not to drink and drive, but I didn't know I couldn't smoke and drive. Oh my God, like it's nothing and drive.